Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Ignis Szt. This compact vehicle is known for its great practicality and ease of access. The vehicle itself is in great condition. Give it a close up of the alloys there. You can see finished in black, which ties in nicely with the black pillars and tinted privacy glass. You've got a higher ride height than the average small car, as well as rear sliding seats for extra storage. Now, this particular vehicle was sold originally by ourselves and has been serviced every 12 months with us. Now, this means all work that's been undertaken has been undertaken by Suzuki trained technicians, meaning the vehicle not only looks great but also has been well cared for mechanically. We take a look inside next. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. You can see you've got height adjustable seating, good head height as well. Integrated touchscreen there, where you find the option for sat nav, Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as Bluetooth with voice recognition. There's 2 seats in the rear, again in great condition. As mentioned, these seats do slide forward, giving you a great size boot space. So the car's in excellent condition, some great features, and would come with a service and MOT before leaving.